Usually cauliflower is cooked in combination with meat, mutton or chicken, or potatoes, and it is always a tasty dish. But today I am sharing with you a new taste and flavor of gobi in combination with eggs, and I am sure you will like this dish also. Take 500 grams gobi and remove its hard stems and leaves to get 400 grams of inner flowery part. Now pour enough water in an open pan, squeeze a half lemon in it, and let the water boil. As the water starts boiling, place gobi in it, cover, and let it boil for 4 minutes or so. Remove from the water and break the bunch into its natural pieces. Next step is to heat 3/4 cup cooking oil, add thumb mixture of 15 grams garlic cloves, 10 grams ginger peas, and 15 grams green chili. Fry this mixture for 1 minute at medium flame, and then add 100 grams chopped onion and fry for 4 minutes. At this stage, add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon salt, 100 grams tomato chunks, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon jeera powder, a quarter of a teaspoon crushed black pepper. And in the end, add gobi pieces and fry for 3 to 4 minutes so that flavor of herbs and spices soak well into the gobi pieces. Beat 4 eggs in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon jarda color solution, mix and pour egg batter into the pan. Add half a teaspoon kasuri methi and let the contents cook for 1 minute at medium flame first. While eggs and gobi is being fried, keep stirring the contents constantly till you observe that oil has reappeared at the base of pan and egg mixture has nicely cooked, then turn off the flame. Dish out and enjoy the tasty flavor of gobi anda salan. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty Pakistani recipes.